Alrighty, getting home from work. I'm excited. Down here it's getting cold. Damn northerners dropping that cold bombs down in Florida. Let's see what we got here. So this capacitor bank was charged from the magnet wire thing going to ground. So right now what I did was I took this layout here. It's a ground cable, ground rod, jumper cable around it. One end of the jumper cable goes to the collector of my 2N3055. The base for the transistor comes off the top, which is just connected to the rod and the rod only. And the positive is connected to the other side of the jumper cable. That comes from the positive side of the capacitor, and the negative side of the capacitor comes around and connects to the emitter, the far right part of this. So I want to show you something really cool. So right now I got the voltmeter on. I got the positive side hooked up to the primary, I would call it, the in on the rod there. And I want to show you, this is another rod I got just laying in the ground. It's about 2 feet away. And when I touch this rod, let's watch the voltmeter. It's showing up the 2.66 volts that these capacitors here are obtaining. So when I got here today, they were up to about 3.9 or 8. So they were almost at 4 volts. Now I've been playing around, and so basically the other half of the charge is coming from the ground itself. Interesting. And then the same thing is, I'll touch this ground here, and nothing's on the voltmeter. Touch this ground, and 2.21 volts show up. I got this aluminum ground way over here. Nothing's on there. Let's go ahead and touch it, and then all of a sudden, a little higher there. You can